Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class, and today we will read chapter number 8, that is Continents and Oceans. Now let's read about the continents first. Children, we see mostly blue color on a map, and this blue color depicts the vast oceans, seas and lakes. And there are few other colored patches as well. They are the major continents of the earth. Thus, our earth has mainly two parts, land and water. The land mass of the earth is divided into continents, and there are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now first let's read about the largest continent, that is Asia. Asia is the earth's largest and the most diverse continent. India and its neighboring countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh are all parts of Asia. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, is also found in Asia. Asia is home to many interesting animals including tigers, elephants and bears. Africa is the world's second largest continent. Africa has a huge physical diversity. Deserts, grasslands and mountains and jungles all can be found in various parts of Africa. This continent is home to enormous range of animals like zebra, giraffe, African elephant and African lion. Nile is the longest river of the world that also flows in this continent. North America. This continent of North America is the third largest continent. Canada, Mexico, United States and Panama are the main countries in North America. The continent is home to animals such as American bison and bald eagle. Now South America. This continent of South America is the fourth largest continent. World's largest river, Amazon River, in terms of amount of water, flows in this continent, and Brazil and Argentina, these are the biggest countries of South America. This continent is home to the llama, which is from the camel's family, and anaconda is the largest snake found in South America. Now Europe, this country of Europe is one of the smaller continents on earth, and ancient cities like Paris, Rome and London are parts of this continent. The reindeer, pine, marten, Arctic fox, Norwegian lemmings, these are found in Europe. Australia is the smallest continent. It usually refers to the mainland Australia. New Zealand, Tasmania and New Guinea, most of the animals native to Australia are found nowhere else, and including kangaroos, koala and wallabies. Antarctica. It is very cold continent. Nobody lives there permanently, and although some people live there temporarily only for research. Antarctica is home to penguins, seals and other animals that are suited to very cold climates. Now it's time to read about oceans. Oceans. Now large areas on the earth's surface covered with water are known as oceans. 5 largest water bodies found on the earth are 5 oceans, and they are Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Antarctic Oceans, that is also known as Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Oceans. If we observe the globe more carefully, we can find smaller water bodies located on the land as well, and these are seas, rivers and lakes. Now let's read about the Pacific Ocean, that is the biggest and the deepest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest oceans of the world and it covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. The world's Pacific, this word Pacific comes from the Latin word pacificus, that means peaceful. But however, the Pacific is not really calm and peaceful. The Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is located in the Pacific Ocean. That is the Ring of Fire is an archipelago that is an active volcano. Is located in this Pacific Oceans. And the deepest point of the world, that is Mariana Trench, is also located in this ocean. The Sea of Japan, the East China Sea, the Bering Sea, Sea of Okhotsk, open into the Pacific Ocean. A large extended wall of dead corals is also found near Australia. Now let's read about Atlantic Oceans. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world and all about half of the size of the Pacific Ocean, and it covers roughly 20% of the Earth's surface. Baffin Bay, Hudson Bay, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico opens into the Atlantic Oceans, and it is known for its fishing industry. Now next one is Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean that is named after any country. The Indian Ocean is located between Africa and Australia. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea and Persian Gulf opens into the Indian Oceans. The water of the Indian Oceans provide the largest breeding grounds of the world for humpback whales. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It is located around the North Pole across the Arctic Circle, and there are many polar bears living on the Arctic ice. Beaufort Sea, East Siberian Sea, Kara Sea, Berford Sea opens in the Arctic Oceans. And next is Southern Ocean. The water of the Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans and Pacific Oceans in the south together form the Southern Oceans, and it surrounds the continents of Antarctica. The Southern Ocean is the home to emperor penguins and wandering albatross. Now it's time to do some exercise now. The first exercise is tick the correct answer. And your first question is, which of the following is the Earth's largest and most diverse continent? And the right answer is Asia. Second question is, which continent has the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. And the right answer is again Asia. How many oceans are there on Earth? And the right answer is 5. Which of the following is the coldest continent on Earth? And the right answer is Antarctica. Now come to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. There are dash continents and dash oceans in the world. And the right answer is there are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. Dash is the Earth's largest and most diverse continent, and your answer is Asia. Asia is the Earth's largest and most diverse continent. Next one is dash is the world's second largest continent, and the answer is Africa. The last one, Canada, Mexico, the United States and Panama. These are the main countries in North America. Now come to the next exercise, and that is match the following. The first one is Mount Everest. It lies in Asia. Second largest continent is Africa. London lies in Europe and kangaroo belongs to Australia. Now that's all in this chapter, children. Thank you.